All right, YouTube, here comes our second train of the night here of NS V07-08 westbound here in Suffolk with a new set of power. There's a C6M on this train. And he is coming off the Commonwealth as we speak. So we've already seen 825 today with that BNSF, so it's been GE Galore for tonight. So we got V07-08 coming around the bend. And I got friends on duty on tonight on this train, so we're laying back and we're getting them. Here we go. See what kind of horn this guy's got tonight. Ooh, beautiful horn. Sounds like a K5 LA. No, it's a divergent clear tonight. It's going from 2 to 1. Is he going to stop? No, he's running. .4055. It's another C6M. Yep, he's stopping to let his conductor off.
Radio check.
4055 is your leader. And throttling up, here we go. Got dash 9 behind him. That C6M. Y'all be safe tonight. And 9857. Lights out to it, kids. Coming down. And spine cars make their debut on the V07. First time in a while I've seen these. Wow.
Connecting track switch on the north cut out of that order for you.
As they wheel it NS V07-08 as he slowly pulls off the Commonwealth.
G17, I got everything shown in FG03 for you.
That's your master talking to NS V17. That's working, I guess, for a lot. All right, V07. 07-08, you guys are going by Engineer Pat 5290. Your wheels and bearings are good, and your marker is in place tonight. There's my beam right there. I'm just going under and taking a look at each of the bearings. Note the springs are down. The springs are down because the containers are inside the cars. Thought I'd throw that out there. Not a lot of loads tonight, but he's got some flats on the end. So here we'll watch NS AC44 season over 4055 and dash number 9867 as they will continue west for right now on V07. Then he'll run around and do his reverse move. All right, see on the empties you got the springs are up. That means the car is empty. Oh yeah! Now I've already seen 7 C6 Elms. I saw one tonight for the 825, which was number 4042, and now 4055 is like my 7 C6 Elms. Because I've seen 4001, 4000, 4001, 4009, 4015, 4053, 4042, and 4055. That's 7 C6 Elms I have seen on Norfolk Southern. Down to the other end. Got some cars here from Canadian National. Train's a good order tonight. So far, there have been no hot axles on the train. That's always good. No bad orders so far. Yeah, he's picking up the speed to come off the top of the road. So the reason I stopped is he had to set off his conductor. We're just going down to the other crossover to help perform the reverse move. Not many loads on this train tonight. I'm really surprised with it. Well, there's not a lot needed to go tonight. And I'm still seeing bare tables on the other end.
17 paperwork's on the west end printer. Brake slips on the west end back. Sure, I'll holler at you when you can couple up. It'll be doubling track 1 to track 20.
If you guys look at the trucks, you see the wheels turning, and you see those little nuts and bolts right there on the trucks. That's the bearings. You're looking at the bearings. You're also looking at the wheels and make sure everything is all right. I mean, that's part of the train's responsibility to make sure the train is in check. That's what they always do. It's like checking the wheels, they check out the bearings, they also check the brakes, everything. I'm just throwing facts out there along the way as the train comes by. This one car there just had 2 wheels replaced. CP car's got a flat spot, and we discussed flat spots last time. And here comes, I think, the end of the trade coming around the corner. See if the gates go up. Yep, it looks like the end of V07's coming. This train's in good order. This makes me happy. Yep, here comes the end of V07. Wow, what a great train this was. Great leader. Yep, gates are up, the crossing is ready for public traffic. And here comes the end of it. Woohoo! Absolutely amazing. And his marker is flashing, and his marker is in place tonight. So anyway, there you have it, NS V07-08, as he glides west for the time being with C6M 4055 and a -9W. Let me get the car count. Hang on a minute.
He's leaving.
What was the car count? All right, thank you very much. All right, YouTube, 104 cars on the V07. He's going to go down to the next mile post to do his reverse. All right, thanks for watching.